Do you want to learn Korean language but you do not know where to start? Well, learning the most frequently used words is the right path. 안녕하세요. Hello, привет. I am Hee-jin, a certified Korean tutor from Study Korean Everyday. I've been teaching Korean language since 2017 to foreign students. I made the 1000 words in Korean and it's totally free. The series includes that most common words and basic vocabulary. In the courses, you will learn new words, pictures, and English translations will be shown. And also, I will make a basic sentence using them together. All words are very essential and practical, so you can use them daily. If you do not know Hangul yet, well, I highly recommend my Hangul course at StudyKoreaneveryday.teachable.com. It's easy and just about an hour course. Every lesson takes about 5 to 10 minutes only. And a vocabulary list, quiz, and more studying materials are available on my website, StudyKoreaneveryday.teachable.com. Let's get started.